Here. Happy. Teka, bugnaw kayo. Happy. Happy birthday. Kabate, birthday. Humok day hit. Birthday. Kani siya, tanggala ang R para natin kita kong redemption. Okay? Happy. Happy. Happy birthday. How old are you now? How old are you now? Well, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Diba? Balad di kayo siya.
Hi, hello today. This is VD Bax. And you are watching this video because birthday ko ngayon at hahandugan ko kayo ng with drums ng my birthday. Happy birthday to you and happy birthday to you and happy birthday, happy birthday, love and Juniper.
Dahil birthday mo, nakapula ako. Mahaba kasi ito eh, parang love letter, sinulat ko pa. Madam GM, Judy Morales. Hindi naman kita kilala in person eh. Nakilala lang kita sa YouTube. Nakita ko nagpapagames ka. Kaya nag-comment ako. Gustong-gusto ko yung ginagawa mo. Yung mamimigay ka ng pera. Hihingay ka ng ayuda, nagpapagames ka, nagpapasaya ka ng tao, galing mismo sa bulsa mo. Hirap yan eh. Bibira lang yun eh. Kasi karamihan sa mga ganong mga nagbibigyan ng pera, may mga talagang yung regular sponsor, pero ikaw mostly ng mga pag-games mo, ikaw talaga galing kasi gusto mo. Kaya wala kang masabi, talagang iba ka. Anyway, nakapula ang bayro ko. Ang damit ko. Orange pa ako kasi birthday mo. Anyway, happy birthday, Madam GM. More blessings to come. Always good health. And happy birthday to you. Long life and always happy with your husband. Happy birthday and stay safe always. Babu.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Judy. Gawin mo lang po lagi kung anong gusto mo sa iyong channel. That you making us, your viewers, always having fun in any segment you have. Thank you for that. And this is your Mr. YouTube Pogi, Jaulan.
Hello, Ma'am Judy Morales. Ayan, binabati kita ng happy birthday. Ayan, enjoy your day. God bless and ingat lagi. Bye.
The Queen of Game Show.
Queen of Game Show.
Our lovable and kind Madam Judy Morales.
Yes, I hope this year will be your best birthday ever. Take care.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for helping Team Judy, for protecting Team Judy.
Ay good health and marami pa pong birthday ang dumating po sa iyo. Love na love ka po namin and ingat ka po lagi.
Sana hindi ka magsasawang tumulong sa mga taong nangangailangan.
Wish ko sa iyo good health. Sa lahat naman, good health talaga ang pinaka-importante. And God bless us all.
At sana hindi ka magbaback out sa YT.
Ayoko na sa YT. And more press 1 and press 4 to come.
And sana mabunot kami sa paroleta at pa-entry.
Wish you all the best. Thank you for your support. Love you.
More blessings to come. God bless and keep safe. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday.